Elon Musk has failed to delay a trial over his termination of a deal to buy Twitter. A judge ruled that the case would go ahead after deciding that Musk's request to push it would damage Twitter's business. Why did Elon Musk refuse to buy Twitter? Why did Twitter file a case against Elon Musk? Stay tuned to find out all the important unanswered questions we need answered. First up, why did Elon Musk refuse to buy Twitter? On July 8th, Tesla CEO Elon Musk canceled the $44 billion Twitter buyout agreement. Elon Musk had earlier postponed the agreement due to the precise number of spammy/fake accounts and bots on the platform, and he had asked Twitter CEO Parag Agrawal for a response. In a U.S. Securities and Exchange (SEC) filing, Musk's legal team claimed that the deal was being terminated because Twitter was in material breach of their contract and had made false and misleading claims during discussions. Mr. Musk is terminating the merger agreement because Twitter is in material breach of multiple provisions of that agreement, appears to have made false and misleading representations upon which Mr. Musk relied when entering into the merger agreement, and is likely to suffer a material adverse effect. Musk also articulated that the information is essential to Twitter's business and financial performance and is required to finish the merger. In a detailed tweet thread, Twitter chief executive Parag Agrawal tried to address Musk's apprehensions, but his efforts to explain the problem with the benefit of data, facts, and context were met with a poo emoji from him. Next up, how did Elon Musk harm Twitter and make things worse? Musk has damaged Twitter's reputation, undermined staff morale, alarmed potential sponsors, stressed the company's financial struggles, and disseminated false information about how Twitter functions. Briefly, this was the worst-case scenario for Twitter, and now it's happened, stated Dan Ives, the managing director and senior equity research analyst covering the tech sector at Wedbush Securities. According to the Washington Post, Ives cautioned that Musk's attempt to leave the company may make it seem like damaged goods in the eyes of further investors or possible buyers. Soon after this news, shares of Twitter fell by almost 6% in after-hours trade. Officials threatened to pursue legal action to enforce the terms of the $44 billion deal. However, Twitter's board said it was certain the company would win in court, but experts warned that Musk's letter sets the stage for a volatile era that might present significant financial concerns for the business and its employees. Twitter could be forced to make key business metrics public, inviting questions from Wall Street. Even if Twitter does prevail in recovering the $1 billion breakup fee, a court battle invites new challenges. Professor Donna Hitcherick of Columbia Business School predicted that Musk's declaration would inevitably prompt inquiries into the reasons behind his loss of interest. Next up, why did Twitter file a case against Elon Musk? Tentatively, Twitter has filed suit against Elon Musk to seek to hold the billionaire to his $44 billion deal to buy the company. Musk alleged that Twitter broke their agreement by refusing to give him the details he needed to confirm the numbers of spam accounts on its network, and by neglecting to carry out layoffs in the normal course of business. Brett Taylor, the chairman of Twitter's board, announced that the firm intended to sue Elon Musk after the letter from his attorney was made public. The company followed through on that promise on Tuesday with its complaint in the Delaware Court of Chancery. The following are some of the most serious charges Twitter leveled against Musk in its complaint. Firstly, Musk's public critiques of Twitter and the deal have created a risk to its business and downward pressure on its share price, the lawsuit claims. The social media platform claims that Musk appears to see the proposed deal as an elaborate joke. Secondly, Musk apparently missed a few meetings with Twitter to discuss spam. Moreover, Twitter claims Musk willingly offered and agreed to terms that were, as he touted, seller-friendly. Musk's exit strategy is a model of hypocrisy conspiracy, plus bad faith. According to Twitter, it didn't need to provide information unrelated to the merger's completion. Finally, Twitter claimed that one of the reasons Musk was trying to get out of the contract was because the market had been getting worse since he signed it. Next up, why did Elon Musk want to delay the trial over the terminated Twitter deal? Musk and Twitter are battling it out in court. The business is requesting an order from Chancellor Kathleen McCormick of the Delaware Court of Chancery, compelling Musk to purchase the business at the $54.20 per share price he agreed to in April. Elon Musk's lawyer argued a few days earlier that a trial over his attempt to renegotiate his $44 billion deal with Twitter should be postponed for a few weeks. A whistleblower claims that Musk wants to delay the hearing to make some plans after a thorough discussion with his lawyers. Doesn't justice demand a few weeks to look into this? Said Musk's lawyer, Alex Spiro, at a hearing in Wilmington, Delaware. Mr. Musk is blaming Twitter for his failure to do customary due diligence, says an attorney for Twitter. A judge has said the trial should begin on October 17th, as scheduled. The Twitter co-founder Anthony Bourdain's Patrick Savitt says he has read the correspondence between Elon Musk and a banker that turned up in the litigation over his proposed Twitter buyout. In it, Musk said it wouldn't make sense to buy Twitter if we're heading into World War III, Savitt writes. Next off, why does the judge deny Elon Musk's attempt to delay the Twitter trial? A Delaware court has rejected billionaire Elon Musk's attempt to push back the October trial over his abortive Twitter purchase, but it agreed that he could include claims made by former Twitter security chief Peter Mudge Zatko in his case. During the trial, Musk's lawyers argued for a meager few weeks to review fresh evidence before the trial's scheduled start date of October 17th. Twitter, meanwhile, blamed Musk for attempting to delay the trial and sow chaos with more document demands, declaring that its lawyers had been forced to pause responding to international law enforcement requests. However, Chancellor Kathleen McCormick overruled Twitter officials, saying Musk should be given extensive freedom to change allegations before the trial begins. A deferral of the trial, which Musk had initially pushed to be set for next year, would cause undue harm to Twitter. He said, "I am convinced that even 4 weeks delay would risk further harm to Twitter, too great to justify." At the hearing, Twitter pointed to a text message instructing his banker to slow down the contract for a few days while evaluating a speech by Russian President Vladimir Putin. The two sides will probably continue debating what information they will need to provide, but given today's ruling, we won't have to wait long to see it. Next up, did the case damage Elon Musk's reputation? The lawsuit claims Musk's public critiques of Twitter and the deal have created a risk to its business and downward pressure on its share price. Twitter asserts that Musk portrays the business and the proposed merger as an elaborate joke, and the company cites tweets from Musk mocking the ups and downs of the merger saga. Twitter's board will strive hard to make sure the deal with Tesla co-founder Elon Musk goes through. The only way a court could side in favor of Tesla is if Twitter shows it is making a good faith effort to complete the agreement. According to Tally, Musk will bear the burden of ascertaining that he did not merely wake up with a huge financial hangover, and that his claims are not a pretext to get out of the deal. However, in a reply to Musk's lawyers, Twitter's lawyers claimed that the deal with Musk had not ended, and that the company would seek to complete Musk's takeover. Next off, what happens next in the Twitter lawsuit against Elon Musk? Although the Delaware court has the authority to expedite cases, it is unclear. This past week, McCormick made preparations for a 5-day trial that will take place in October. After the trial is over, she will make her decision. At a hearing to discuss the trial schedule, McCormick stated the delay, requested by Musk, actually threatens irreparable harm to the sellers and to Twitter. One thing is clear, Musk just can't walk walk away from the deal. Even if the judge grants Musk's request to terminate the agreement, he might still be required to pay the $1 billion breakup fee stipulated in the acquisition agreement. What does seem pretty clear to me is that Twitter's board has concluded that they can't just let this go and walk away empty-handed, said Tom Redburn, partner and chair of the securities litigation group at Lowenstein Sandler. Twitter has argued that Musk should be compelled to purchase the company at the agreed-upon price because he lacks a convincing reason to back out of the deal. According to the terms of the agreement, many legal experts concur that Musk's claim regarding bot information does not appear to be a compelling enough reason to terminate the deal. Musk's requests for information on bots are irrelevant, Twitter's lead attorney in the dispute claimed at a court hearing this week. Things are about to get ugly between Elon Musk and Twitter, as the two sides enter a legal battle after Elon walks away from the deal. Multiple legal experts said they believe Twitter has the stronger case. Did Elon make the right decision of not buying Twitter? Which side do you think has the stronger case? Make sure to let us know your thoughts down below. Thanks for watching.